It's possible if the Sukhoi Su-57 win, if there are dogfighting with the F-22 Raptor. It's possible if the Sukhoi Su-57 win, if there are dogfighting with the F-22 Raptor. Well, it might be possible, depending on who the pilot is and how far the pilot's skilled at flying a fighter jets. The Su-57 has edge over Raptor in dogfights, thanks to its electro-optical system and super maneuverability. The Su-57 radar can likely detect a fighter with an RCS of 0.01 square meters at up to 50 miles away. It's horrible, but it seems on that sliding scale, a 1 square meter target would be seen around 7 to 80 miles easily. Also consider that the F-22 can turn and supercruise away at Mach 1.8, while the Su-57 supposedly can hit upwards of Mach 1.6 in supercruise. I'm not sure if that supercruise estimate is for the upgrade engine they haven't finished working on or the AL-41 F1 engine currently being used. The Sukhoi Su-57 employs a variety of methods to reduce its radar signature. Similar to other stealth fighters such as the F-22 Raptor, the aircraft aligns the platform edges to reduce its radar cross-section, the leading and trailing edges of the wings and control surfaces, and the serrated edges of skin panels are carefully angled to reduce the number of directions the radar waves can be reflected. Weapons are carried internally in weapons bays within the airframe, and antennas are recessed from the surface of the skin to preserve the aircraft's stealthy shape. While radar absorbent material coatings absorb radar emissions and reduce the reflection back to the source. The F-22 Raptor was designed to be highly difficult to detect and track by radar. Measures to reduce RCS include airframe shaping, such as alignment of edges, internal carriage of weapons, fixed geometry serpentine inlets, and curved vanes that prevent line of sight of the engine faces and turbines from any exterior view. Use of radar absorbent material, and attention to details such as hinges and pilot helmets that could provide a radar return. The F-22 was also designed to have decreased radio frequency emissions, infrared signature, and acoustic signature, as well as reduced visibility to the naked eye. Designed from the outset as a multi-role aircraft, the Sukhoi Su-57 has substantial internal payload capacity that allows the carriage of multiple large air-to-surface ordnance. Weapons are housed in 2 tandem main weapons bays in the large ventral volume between the widely spaced engine nacelles and smaller side bays with bulged triangular section fairings near the wing root. Internal weapons carriage eliminates drag from external stores and enables higher performance compared to external carriage, as well as preserving the stealth shaping.